In this video, we break down 24 items banned in your checked-in bag in 2026. This year, the rules have tightened and several common, everyday items can now lead to a bag search, frustrating confiscations, or even a missed flight. The surprising truth is that most travelers unknowingly pack at least one of these newly restricted items, simply because the regulations are evolving faster than our packing habits. To make sure that doesn't happen to you, we're going to break down the complete list of 24 items that can get your checked bag flagged this year. This is the essential guide to knowing exactly what to remove before you even think about heading to the airport. The single biggest reason checked bags get pulled for inspection today all comes down to one thing: lithium batteries. These power sources are in countless devices we use every day, but they have a dangerous flaw. They can overheat and erupt into a fire that is incredibly difficult to extinguish. For this reason, airlines require most battery-powered devices to remain in the cabin, where the flight crew can immediately respond to an emergency. That's why this first group of everyday electronics is strictly forbidden from your checked luggage. Number 1. Power banks and portable chargers. Kicking off our list is the number one offender, the most commonly confiscated item from checked bags worldwide: the power bank. It seems harmless, but its internal lithium-ion battery is a serious fire risk. When packed in the cargo hold, these batteries can be exposed to damage or pressure changes, leading to a dangerous condition called thermal runaway, where they overheat and catch fire. Airlines demand that all power banks and portable chargers travel with you in the cabin. The logic is simple. If a fire starts where you are, the crew can see it and extinguish it. If it starts in the cargo hold, nobody will know until it's potentially too late. Number 2. Spare lithium batteries. Next up are any loose, spare lithium batteries that aren't installed in a device. Think of the extra batteries for your camera, your drone, or even a high-powered flashlight. These are considered an even greater fire risk because their metal contacts are exposed. If they bump against keys, coins, or a zipper in your bag, they can easily short-circuit and ignite. This is not a theoretical risk. It's a proven danger. For this reason, all spare lithium batteries must be kept in your carry-on, and it's highly recommended you protect them by keeping them in their original packaging or by taping over the contacts. Number 3. E-cigarettes and vaping devices. Another frequently flagged and confiscated item is any type of e-cigarette or vaping device. The reason is the same. They all contain powerful, rechargeable lithium batteries. These devices pose a unique threat because many are activated by a simple button press. If something in your suitcase shifts and presses that button, the device could activate, overheat, and start a fire in the cargo hold. Because of this high risk of accidental activation, they are completely banned from checked luggage and must always be packed in your carry-on bag. And later in this video, there's one item outdoor travelers bring all the time that can actually get your entire suitcase rejected at check-in. Number 4. Smart luggage with non-removable batteries. That fancy smart suitcase with a built-in charger can quickly turn into a travel nightmare. The critical feature here is whether the lithium battery is removable. If you can't easily pop the battery out to take it into the cabin with you, most airlines will flat out refuse to check the bag. You'll be faced with a terrible choice at the check-in counter: either abandon your expensive new suitcase or miss your flight. Before you invest in smart luggage, always confirm the battery is designed to be easily removed. Number 5. Large camera battery packs. For photographers and videographers, this rule is crucial. While most standard camera batteries are fine in your carry-on, very large battery packs, specifically those rated between 100 and 160 watt-hours, fall into a more restricted category. Their higher energy capacity means they pose a greater fire risk if they fail. Consequently, you must get prior approval from your specific airline before you can bring them on board. Any battery pack over 160 watt-hours is considered industrial material and is completely prohibited for passengers. Number 6. Lithium power tool batteries. It's a common mistake for contractors, technicians, or even DIY enthusiasts traveling for a project. Those robust, high-capacity lithium batteries for your cordless drill, saw, or other power tools are a major red flag. Due to their size and power, they are a significant fire risk and cannot be packed in checked luggage. Most power tool batteries under 100 watt-hours are permitted in your carry-on, but just like large camera batteries, anything bigger will likely require special airline approval. Next, we move on to items that may look harmless, but can ignite under the unique conditions of air travel. And one of the items in this category is something many travelers bring home as a souvenir without realizing it's completely banned. This next category of items is all about things that can easily ignite, combust, or explode during a flight. The cargo hold of an airplane is an unpressurized environment that experiences wide temperature swings and constant vibration. These conditions can cause containers to leak or items to ignite. Because of that extreme risk, airlines and aviation authorities like the FAA have a complete zero-tolerance policy for these items in checked luggage. Number 7. Flammable liquids, lighter fluid, fuel. This seems obvious, but it catches people by surprise. Any liquid that has a warning label that says flammable or combustible is absolutely forbidden. This includes things like gasoline, lighter fluid, paint thinner, and certain cleaning solvents. During a flight, atmospheric pressure changes can cause even tightly sealed containers to leak. The resulting fumes can fill the cargo compartment, creating a vapor cloud that could be ignited by a simple spark, leading to a catastrophic fire. If the label says it's flammable, it cannot go on a plane. Number 8. Camping stove fuel. This one constantly trips up outdoor enthusiasts. That canister of propane or bottle of white gas for your camping stove is essential on the trail, but it's treated as a dangerous good in the air. These fuels are highly flammable and are stored under pressure, making them a severe explosion and fire risk in the cargo hold. They are strictly prohibited and will be confiscated if found. Even the stove itself can cause problems. You are only allowed to pack a camping stove if it is brand new and has never been used, or if you have completely emptied it of all fuel and thoroughly cleaned it so no flammable vapors remain. Number 9. Butane curling irons. Your favorite cordless curling iron that uses a small butane gas cartridge can be a real issue at the airport. Because it contains a pressurized, flammable gas cartridge, many airlines heavily restrict it. If the gas cartridge is installed, security screeners may confiscate the entire device from your checked bag. Some airlines permit them in your carry-on, but only if the heating element has a safety cover attached to prevent accidental activation. Always check your airline's specific policy before you pack it. Number 10. Torch lighters. Be very clear on this rule. Torch lighters are not the same as regular disposable lighters. Also known as jet lighters, plasma lighters, or blue flame lighters, they produce an intensely hot, concentrated flame. This high-temperature flame is considered far too dangerous for air travel, and as a result, these lighters are banned from checked luggage. Many airlines prohibit them entirely, even in carry-on. Your safest bet is to leave them at home, or they will be found and removed on the spot. Number 11. Strike anywhere. Matches. This is a very specific rule that often confuses travelers. While a single book of standard safety matches is usually allowed in your carry-on, strike anywhere matches are completely banned from both checked and carry-on baggage. The key difference is in their design. Strike anywhere matches are engineered to ignite from friction against nearly any rough surface. The constant vibration and shifting of items inside a suitcase could easily cause them to rub against something and light up, starting a fire in the cargo hold. Number 12. High-proof alcohol. For anyone thinking of bringing home a souvenir bottle of local spirits, you need to know this rule. While most standard beer, wine, and liquor are perfectly fine to pack, any alcoholic beverage that is over 70% alcohol by volume, which is 140 proof, is completely banned from aircraft. This category includes some high-proof rums from the Caribbean, certain grain alcohols like Everclear, and traditional strength absinthes. These liquids are classified as highly flammable and pose a significant fire risk, just like gasoline. Number 13. Fireworks. This should be the most obvious item on the list, but every year, people try to fly with them. Fireworks are, by definition, explosive devices and are absolutely forbidden on passenger aircraft. This ban includes everything from large bottle rockets and firecrackers down to the smallest, harmless sparklers. They all contain explosive materials that can be ignited by friction, impact, or heat. Attempting to fly with fireworks is a serious federal offense that won't just get your bag searched, it can lead to massive fines and even potential criminal charges. We're halfway through the list of 24 items. I'm curious, which one of these rules has surprised you the most so far? Let me know down in the comments section. And if this guide is helping you avoid a headache at the airport, do me a favor and hit that like button so this video can reach and help more travelers like you. And some of the final items on this list are the ones that cause the biggest airport problems, because travelers assume they're allowed. Now, the next group of items are the ones that airport security flags most often, simply because they look so harmless at first glance. Modern airport screening technology is incredibly sophisticated. X-ray machines and chemical sniffers can detect hazards that are completely hidden from the naked eye. This next section covers items that may not seem dangerous, but contain hidden components, like powerful batteries, pressurized gases, or reactive chemicals, that make them a no-go for checked luggage. Number 14. Drones. The rules for drones can be a bit confusing, so let's clarify. The drone itself, the main body without a battery installed, is usually allowed in your checked luggage. However, all drone batteries are lithium-based and therefore fall under the strict battery rules. All of your spare drone batteries must be removed from the drone, protected from short-circuiting, and packed in your carry-on bag only. Many travelers prefer to keep the entire drone in their carry-on to avoid any confusion or potential damage. Number 15. Lithium battery suitcases with built-in trackers. This is a newer version of the smart luggage problem. Many modern suitcases now come with features like built-in GPS trackers or charging ports that are powered by small, integrated lithium batteries. Just like with larger smart bags, if the battery that powers these features cannot be physically removed and taken into the cabin, the airline has the right to refuse to check the bag. You may be forced to perform some last-minute surgery on your bag at the counter to remove the battery before it can be accepted. Number 16. Portable power stations. Think of these as power banks on steroids, often used for camping, remote work, or as emergency home backup. These large, boxy units are almost always over the legal battery size limit for a passenger plane. Remember, any single battery exceeding a capacity of 160 watt-hours is strictly forbidden. Even those in the 100 to 160 watt-hour range require special pre-approval from the airline. These devices pack a massive amount of energy, and an uncontrolled fire would be catastrophic. Number 17. Flammable aerosols, WD-40 spray paint. This rule trips up a lot of people because they assume all aerosol cans are the same. Personal care toiletries like hairspray, deodorant, and shaving cream are generally fine to pack in limited quantities. The problem is with non-toiletry flammable aerosols. This includes common household items like spray paint, industrial lubricants like WD-40, certain cooking sprays, and some cleaning products. Always check the label on the can. If it's marked as flammable and isn't a personal toiletry, it cannot fly. Number 18. Dry ice. Dry ice is often used to keep perishable items frozen, but you can't just pack it and forget it. As dry ice warms, it doesn't melt. It sublimates, turning directly into carbon dioxide gas. In an enclosed space like a cargo hold, that gas can build up and displace oxygen, creating a suffocation risk for any animals in the hold and for ground crews opening the doors. To travel with dry ice, you absolutely must declare it with the airline and follow their strict rules on quantity and packaging, which requires a vented container. Number 19. Compressed gas cartridges. This is a broad category that covers many small, seemingly innocent items. Most compressed gas cartridges or cylinders are prohibited from all passenger baggage, both checked and carry-on. This includes the small CO2 cartridges used for bike tire inflators, for making soda, or for paintball guns. The extreme pressure changes during a flight can cause these pressurized cylinders to rupture or explode. making them an unacceptable risk. Number 20. Avalanche Rescue Backpacks. This is a critical warning for anyone heading to the mountains for backcountry skiing or snowboarding. An avalanche rescue backpack is a life-saving device, but it operates using a large compressed gas cylinder and sometimes even a small explosive charge to inflate the airbag. Because of these hazardous components, you cannot simply check it in. You must get prior approval from your airline well in advance of your flight. They will provide very specific instructions on how the pack, cylinder, and trigger must be packed to prevent accidental deployment. Number 21. Chlorine for pools and spas. Thinking of bringing your own chemicals for a vacation home pool or hot tub? Think again. Pool and spa chemicals, whether in liquid or solid form, are extremely dangerous materials for air travel. They are highly corrosive and reactive. If the packaging leaks, they can damage the metal structure of the aircraft itself. Worse, if they come into contact with other common substances, they can release toxic chlorine gas or even spontaneously combust. They are absolutely forbidden in passenger baggage. And the final item on this list is banned on every passenger aircraft with absolutely no exceptions. Number 22. Pepper spray. When it comes to self-defense sprays, the rules are incredibly strict and can be confusing. While the TSA sometimes permits one small canister of pepper spray in checked baggage, provided it has a safety mechanism to prevent accidental discharge, many individual airlines have their own policies and ban it entirely. Because of this inconsistency, packing it is a gamble. More often than not, it will be detected during screening and removed from your bag by security, so it's often better to purchase it at your destination. Number 23. Bear spray. This is a non-negotiable no. Do not ever confuse bear spray with smaller personal pepper spray. Bear spray canisters are much larger. They spray a wider area, and the formula is significantly more potent, designed to stop a 600-pound animal. They are absolutely banned from both checked and carry-on luggage on all airlines with no exceptions. The risk of one of these canisters accidentally discharging in the cargo hold is far too great. It could incapacitate ground crew and contaminate the entire aircraft. You must buy it at your destination and leave it behind. Number 24. Signal flares. Our final item is another one with zero exceptions. Signal flares, flare guns, and any similar emergency signaling devices are completely banned from all passenger aircraft. These items contain explosive materials and are specifically designed to burn at extremely high temperatures, making them a significant fire and explosive hazard. There are no circumstances under which they can be packed in your carry-on or checked baggage. Attempting to fly with them is a serious violation of hazardous materials regulations. As you can see, most of the problems that get a checked bag flagged come down to just three simple categories: unrecognized lithium batteries, flammable materials, and pressurized gases. If you have items that fall into any of those three groups hidden in your suitcase, there is a very high probability that modern security scanners will find them, and your bag will be pulled aside for a manual inspection. This can lead to confiscation, delays, and a lot of unnecessary stress. So before you zip up your luggage for your next trip, do one final mental scan. Think about your electronics, your toiletries, and any special gear you've packed. Make sure none of these 24 items are in there. Travel smart, travel safe, and double-check that luggage. I'll see you in the next video.